Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be learning how to create a Gmail account. If you want to create a Gmail account, get to the address bar on top like this and type in gmail.com. Press the enter key. So when you type it in, you wait, then it will come out gmail.com. Gmail account is very important because that's what you use in sending emails. So once it comes out like this, go to the ground and see where they wrote use another account. If you're using a system that people have been using, it's likely that you see plenty people's accounts. So click on the place they said use another account. So when you click there, you wait. It will bring out this and will ask you to put your email if you had one before to log in. But if you don't have a Gmail account, click on create new account or create account. When you click on create account, it will bring something like this. Click here to put your first name. My first name is Augustine, so I type it in. Then click here to put your last name. My last name is Emeka, so I type it in. Google will bring out certain name that they think is good for you. If you think it's okay, continue. If you don't like it, you can still type in something. But you see, they brought out for me Augustine Emeka 154. So here I'll put my password. You choose a password that you can remember, that should be up to 8 characters long. So you confirm your password. After confirming your password, then click on create. So once you click on create, Gmail will create the account for you. So click on next. So they say choose a stronger password. If you choose a password like you type password, it will tell you to choose a stronger password. So I'm gonna choose another password. So after choosing another password, I'll click next. This time around it went. So it will send a verifying code to my phone number, the phone number I use. Once I type in the phone number here and click next, then my Gmail is created. So I'm going to type in my phone number. So I'm going to click next. I put my phone number so that they can send me the code. So once they send me the code, I'll put the code here. Once I put the code and click verify, then I have a Gmail account. And that is how you create a Gmail account in Google. So I'm not going to type because I already have a Gmail account. So I'm going to stop here. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button. Any question that you have, drop it on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.